Still in North Dakota. Driving with no heater.
I got more kills
Can't
than you
see the road.
I got more kills than you that time.
Huh?
Got a heater right there.
Where?
There's our heater.
Oh my god, I didn't look at y'all both
Oh,
got
you
more
can't
kills
see it.
than me.
The candle.
The candle.
Had to.
And the handle. Candle, no heater.
Wait a minute, no, I did
No
get more kills than
hotels.
y'all, but I must have died more.
This
Because I
is
got
a scary situation. There's frozen lakes on both sides of the road. So if you slip off this road,
I had 2 deaths, 15 kills.
it will be
Oh, you were
horrible.
sniping, that's why you were sniping, you had the headshots more, and I didn't have as many headshots really. Oh, Shadow, look
Yeah.
at that. You had 13 fucking assists.
No hotel anywhere.
Me and Silent were taking all your kills.
This is
Sorry
great.
about that.
My feet are freezing cold.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Nice.
There's still some people driving on this road.
Yeah.
Trying to head south as soon as we can for the winter.
Well, that's how you made second place. Beat me past the
Yeah, this
first.
is what we were trying to avoid.
Yeah, that was fun. Oh, I'm going PDW on that.
You can only go 40 miles an hour.
That's the most.
At the most. This is
How much
ridiculous driving. Don't break. I'm trying to cover some of this because this is crazy. If anybody's seeing this video, it means that we made it to Wolseley 4 miles, Langton 54 miles.
Around this way, guys.
You're in the center. That little line that you're
shit,
running
you're
over,
there.
you can tell that you're in the
Edge of
center with.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's the center line.
I think that's the only one that went across right there.
That's why they got it.
Yeah.
Like,
Water and a lake on both sides.
I'd rather hug that.
I said 12-point buck earlier.
Oh, alright. PDW then. You got too fast the machine gun.
Yeah, what y'all are seeing is what we are seeing. This is crazy. Huh?
There's not much sign of you, you know?
Yep. Yep, line view
Yeah, me,
is
got
not
me,
very
got me.
much.
Yee boy, big boy.
It is
Yee big boy.
probably, it was 17 degrees earlier and it's colder than that now. Got a whole cooler full of ball
Definitely a
pythons.
wind chill.
Whole cooler full of ball pythons.
But it's a nice 80 degrees in
80
there.
degrees in there since we have hand warmers and stuff for heating a cooler.
Oh, bitch, I see. He got me too. It's a good hiding spot.
You can see, right?
Jump down.
Be careful, don't break too much. Bridge.
Over the end of the trailer.
Bridge. Oh,
Power
easy.
tires up against the back of the
Easy shit. You're right on the edge of this thing.
I'm gonna go kill him right now.
We're on the longest desolate
Damn
stretch
it, he
of
got me
road
again.
in a
He's at the-
snowstorm.
He got me. He's just waiting.
Miles from anywhere. This is not good, people.
I'll go with your
Not
dude.
good at all. Keep filming for a minute so you guys can see what's going on.
I thought it was a grenade. I used it as a distraction. Oh shit!
Hopefully that's a town.
There's nothing in the building. I got him.
Hopefully that's a town. Not another oil rig.
Easy. Yeah, hopefully
now. If we were south, now we're in Dakota.
We were in North Dakota and heading south, so we
He's
should
the
be in
one that
South
just
Dakota.
killed me and fucked.
Like, look,
He's the
there's
one
a
that
curve
killed me
there.
and now fucked it up when I was supposed to.
Don't keep going straight on that curve.
Be mistaken.
Easy, brother.
Oh my God, there's
Just easy. 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 Look at this shit, people.
Yeah.
This is the town.
Damn, look at the outfit he's got on.
Look up, John.
Yeah, I see it, bro.
Can't
John,
see
see
it.
if there's any hotels near this town. Probably not.
I don't know how to look up a hotel in here, bro.
See, there's a St. John's Lutheran Church.
Looks like
Oh,
a
now
little
people
town,
can
but
see
it looks
around.
like a city.
Yeah, this is not a city. This is just a little bitty down town.
Half thing, yeah.
Railroad crossing. Well, we are ice road truckers now.
I like using my name,
Whoa.
but I also Walrus Street, I guess.
There is a store coming up here.
Yeah, but they're all
I want
closed.
his outfit too, it was nice, but I think he had to spend to get that. They're all closed. I saw a woman avatar on here with that outfit at her.
That's in a hotel way back there before all this snow came. There's a tree that fell on somebody's house.
High tech and you get
Snowed in. Look at all these houses over here just solid covered in
That's
snow.
stop and get a hotel if you find one. No, it's the damn hard.
Definitely something different from my
This one's
channel.
open.
Everything's always green.
Huh?
Some stuff.
You don't have
You gotta ask them if there's any hotels around here.
we're gonna pull in the gas station right here.
Oh, you're sliding everywhere.
Go very
You're
slow.
sliding everywhere.
That damn gas station.
You're sliding everywhere.
Don't pull up close to anybody.
Yeah, we're slipping and sliding. We
It's in
probably
the
shouldn't get off the
pre-match,
road.
Still
We're
in the
still
pre-match.
sliding.
Yep.
You gotta get gas. Yeah. You're still sliding.
Yeah, I'm going on 19.
Wow.
That's how you pull into a gas station.
We drove on snow a lot,
First
bro.
night, this is still warm in here?
Yeah.
Warm?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm with both my brothers. They're up in front driving. I'm in the back.
Oh, fuck.
This is crazy. What happened? Are you burning yourself?
They
Yes.
say, hi, big brothers.
Where's the fire?
Big
Smell
brother.
burning. Don't burn.
One trying to eat my big
Where's the
brother.
fire at? I can't see. Oh yeah, there's our heater. People, one little fire,
My
one little
twin
flame,
friends-
the smallest
My
flame.
That's
twin
about
friends
zero,
that
yeah.
had all these. Nice got one.
So is there a hotel somewhere or what?
What is that I smell burning?
Jesse?
Me?
Jesse's burning. I burned my foot
Oh my
earlier.
god.
I'm gonna ask them.
No heater,
Hey,
no anything.
they are good. They're a team there in BC
Alright,
because
ask
they
and
killed
see.
one and the other one turned around and come back where he got where the other guy got killed. So that means they're telling each other where each other are.
Get out.
Huh?
Don't bust.
People.
I got a assist on that. I got a assist on that show.
This is ridiculous.
Minus better. Oh, he slid. Fuck, he slid. Oh, thank you.
He's gaming before we die.
Oh, they
Good
got
thing
me.
to do. You're in a
Going
bad
back,
shape.
I died.
Bad shape, people. Unbelievable shape.
What the hell?
So we got Solomon. It wouldn't be so bad if they had some kind of plow or something going in front of us. Then we'd be alright. But they don't have.
Damn it. I'm all shooting our own people and shit, thinking I'm...
Semi truck.
Oh! I got sniped.
Maybe he'll leave a path for us to be able to see the road. Maybe go find him wrecked up there. It's snowing now.
Later. Oh! Yummy tongue.
Alright, friends. I'll see an update after this because we made it.
You got this.
We don't. We didn't. Wish us luck, people. The storm's gonna get worse before it gets
Oh,
better.
damn it. How did he kill me?
Edward Tyndall
King
and
Goat.
brother
A
Tyndall's
fucking
out.
goat? No, hell no.